We have an order for one of our deity boxes, and the deity they chose was Odin. So let's pull that together. We recently got a negative review because someone got a deity box, and I don't recall exactly which one it was. And they were disappointed because the candle colors and the oil was different than a video that they saw here on our page. And I just want to make sure I reiterate that these boxes are customized when they're ordered. So we don't have these pre-packaged anywhere. We pull them and create these boxes when the orders are placed. And that includes printing the imagery. And so for this one, you're going to get an image of your deity that you can use on your altar space. And then on the back, there's a lot of information about your deity on here, including the different types of offerings that they like, domains, their symbols, their sacred animals, their sacred plants, just a lot of different information on here to help you learn more about your specific deity. And then we also include a prayer card that you can choose to use if you would like. You don't have to. You can also alter this any way that fits your personality and or your communication to your deity. So we're going to put this card in there. And then what varies in these boxes is everything. So the crystals can vary, the herbs can vary, the candle colors can vary, and the oils, and that's all really dependent on what we're feeling at the time that we pull these boxes together. But it doesn't mean that you're going to get the exact same thing that's in this video if you went and ordered an Odin box today. Okay, the first thing I'm going to grab is candles, and I know black, blue, and gray, I only have a few grays left, are associated with Odin, so we're going to grab these three. There are a few different crystals associated with Odin, but we're going to go with a smoky quartz. I want a really dark smoky. We're also going to do lapis. Where's my lapis? Lapis lazuli. Let's go with this big chunky piece here. Ooh, and labradorite. Let's go with a dark lab. See if we can find a flashy one. What about this one? She's got some flash right there on the tip. Love that. So these three is what we're going with. Even the bags that we put the crystals in can vary. Sometimes we have organza bags. Sometimes we have velvet bags. For this one, I'm going to do this black organza. Is that how you say it, you guys? Organza bag. Now for the herbs, we're going to go with mugwort and yarrow. Let's do some nettle. And everybody needs a little more thyme. For the oil, let's do patchouli. Okay, we have our oil, and then we have our herbs. We have your prayer and your card. And then we just have to make his label to go on the top. And that completes your Odin box. I hope you love it. And I so put that on there crooked. Please forgive me.